just mild steel. These don't need to be made out of spring steel. Just a little tap, that holds good. Turns out that the Pritchell hole will hold 5/8 round bar, but it does not slide easily through there, so it's a little bit tight for a Holdfast. So I'm just going to go grind down a little bit of this on the belt grinder. And by grinding this direction instead of this direction, it also adds a little bit more grip to the bar, so it should hold better. Then we'll make a Holdfast. I'm going to work in the induction forge for this just because it's convenient and it's very efficient to use this in my shop. But you certainly don't need an induction forge. Whatever heat source you have that will reach forging temperature is perfectly fine. You could do this in a gas forge, coal forge, a backyard dirt forge with a hairdryer blower, or even use an oxy-fuel torch if that's the heat source that you have available. The Holdfast is really a pretty simple forging, so this goes pretty quick. I think that's going to do the trick. I'll go ahead and wire brush this to get most of the scale off, but I don't wax or oil Holdfast to prevent rust. That also lubricates them, and they need friction to work. So if it rusts in use, that's just the way it goes. I took a little lunch break so the Holdfast could cool off nicely. This is just mild steel. These don't need to be made out of spring steel. Just a little tap, that holds good. I can tip that anvil up. I don't know if I can lift it or not. I don't think I'm strong enough to lift the anvil one-handed, but that's all the hold we need. And I think that's going to work real well for us. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, love it if you hit that like button down there. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And then make time in your day to get out to your shop. But stay safe, wear your safety glasses. We'll see you for the next video.